Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am going to show you how to convert a normal image into a pencil art drawing. It's a digital art tutorial. So first of all, I press Ctrl J for copy the picture. Layer 1 is the copy picture, then click the layer on, go to the hue saturation. First go to the adjustment layer, then go to the hue saturation, then decrease saturation. After that I go to the copy layer, then go to the copy layer, then press Ctrl plus I and then go to the color dots. After that I go to the filter option and go to the blur and press and blur. I select the radius 10 pixel, then OK. After that I go to the adjustment layer and go to the level, decrease some level 70, 75, 73. After that I go to again adjustment layer and go to the brightness and contrast, decrease the brightness and increase some contrast. That's enough. After that I go to the top layer and convert all this section into one section. For this press Shift, Ctrl, Alt and E. Then all section is going to first section. My image is ready. It's a simple drawing for pencil art drawing. If you want to detail this in pencil art drawing, please comment below. Then I detail all the section how to draw a pencil art drawing. I save this image. Look, my pencil art. This is the pencil art drawing. I think everyone can understand how to draw a pencil art drawing using Photoshop. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.